In this video, you will learn how you can find your next winning product and do product research based on customer feedback with sending an email campaign that's called the customer survey. And I'm not only going to show you how you can set it up, but I'm going to show you step by step exactly how we did this for one of our clients, Dennis, that resulted in 343 responses of their customers and also added an extra 2K in revenue, okay? But before I'm going to show you how we did this all, real quick, my name is Dan. I'm already for 5 years active in the e-commerce space. The first few years I was running and scaling my own stores, and the last 2 years my team and I, we partnering up with qualified e-commerce brands that are doing at least 100K plus per month, and we help scale them up with email and SMS marketing. And I would recommend to check out my Twitter for a lot of testimonials, case studies, value, also my YouTube, because I think it's really important that if you take advice from someone, that it has to be someone that has actually skin in the game, okay? So if you want to check that out, it's all on my socials. So let's get straight into how you can find your next winning product, okay? So I want to take you to the Slack channel on March the 7th, right, with Dennis, and he was asking us with, hey, guys, I would like to launch a new product this year for the brand. I would like to get a survey into our existing customers to get feedback and to see what type of product they want to see. Can you set this up for me if we give you some product ideas? So of course, I replied, hey Dennis, of course we want to do that. What type of product do you have in mind? And what are the answers that you would like to know? So he gave us a couple of things, and 5 days later we sent out the campaign, the survey campaign. And 1.5 weeks later, on the 21st of March, we get already 300 people that filled in the survey with valuable feedback for his new product launch. And we also added an extra 2K in revenue. Menno, my COO, he also asked Dennis, hey, is the data useful in order to make a good choice on your next product that you want to launch? And he replied with, absolutely, thanks again. All right, so yeah, this was a really successful launch, and in a minute I'm going to show you. But before I would like to show you, is there one thing that you need to keep in mind, because this only works for qualified brands. And what is a qualified brand? It's a brand that is selling good products, okay? Because basically you're gonna ask a customer of your brand, right, with, hey, give me some knowledge, right? Give me your time to fill in these questions, and you can only do that if you're actually selling good products. Otherwise, they're not gonna waste their time to you to fill in a survey, because they are like not really connected with your brand because you're selling not so good products. Okay, so make sure that you're selling really good product. Is the Trustpilot score of his brand. So yeah, that's like a confirmation that you can send out a campaign like this. Okay, so how we did the market research, right, for Dennis to find his new winning product that he can sell. And it all starts with setting up a goal of the survey, right? Because you can send out a survey to your customers with different intentions. That can be to improve the advertisement. That can be by improving the website, or decreasing returns rate, or to make the customer experience better, right? There are like all different type of surveys that you can send out. So it's really important that you need to have, or that you need to set a clear goal of the campaign, okay? So in this way, or in this case, it was gathering feedback for new products to launch, and that we actually want to find new winning products, and also go off the surveys that we do. And it's something I will come later on in this video, is how we're going to do a pre-launch under the existing customers, so you won't spending any single dollar on advertisement or stock before you got already like money coming in, okay? So that's something I will come up later in, but that was the goal of the survey, right? So once we have set this goal together, then we came up with a campaign strategy. And you can't really send out one campaign and just like, okay, hey, I will get right now 300 replies. No, you really need to do research on, okay, hey, which day do you want to send out the campaign, which time within the day, and also which audience do you want to target, right? Because within the brand you can have like different interests, right, based on different products, and you really want to know, okay, hey, what answers would I get from which target audience? Okay, do you want to get answers from males or females, right? So it's really important to get that really clear for you. In this case, it was really broad, because he want to basically ask all of his customers what type of new products they want to see. Okay, so once we've set it up, we came up that we want to send out 2 emails. One first email is to everyone, right? But only the customers, like not people that are like not bought before, but only people that are like get their products already. And email 2 is a retargeting email with non-clickers and non-openers. Okay, that's really important. And later on, I will show you the results of the second email, and that was almost the same as good as it was with the first email. Okay, so that's why it's really important that you're going to send out a second email with, of course, a different copy, different subject line, and also a different design. Okay, so step number 3 is set up a Google form, and this is like one of the most important things, because what you don't want to do is ask 30 questions, okay? Because it's like way too much. You want to keep it as easy as possible, but also with a good structure so you get the right feedback. So it's really important that you're just not going to ask directly, hey, what product do you want to see? This. No, you need to structure it in a single way. And that's how you can do it. So first of all, it's really important that you get the demographics of the person that is going to fill in this feedback form, right? Otherwise, you know what type of product everyone wants to see, but maybe you can, based on your marketing, you can focus more on males or females, or based on the age, right? So that's really important. The first thing that we did is, hey, what is your gender, men, women, and different because it's 2024. What's your age, and also what is your most important reason why you use the main product of his brand. And this was actually really valuable feedback that I'm going to share you later on as well, because this is give you like extra perspectives on why people bought your product. Okay, so that way you can improve your marketing, you can improve your website. Okay, so yeah, that's basically the first step. So once they do that, then it's actually the survey itself. In this case, it was really broad, right? We don't want to add a lot of details. It depends, of course, on your survey goal, how much questions you're going to ask, but keep it as minimal as possible. So we basically ask, this in Dutch, by the way, with, okay, hey, what type of product do you like to see? Choose your #1, so different options. And also optional, hey, is there another product that you would like to see? If yes, what type of product? And also this was really valuable because sometimes we really thought, okay, hey, this is like one of the products that people want to see, but we get some really cool feedback on other products that we're not even thinking of, okay? Also important, step number 3 is that you ask people, hey, write this sentence again, right? So that way you know that you don't have people that are like clicking really fast, and yeah, just filtering a little bit of the people that are like not taking care of this form. Okay, so that's really important that you have like an extra step with that. And the last step is actually where we thank them, right? And where we also say, okay, hey, here is because you gave us your time, here's a 10% discount for the next 24 hours. Okay, so that is basically how we did. Something that we can improve in this site is that we ask, okay, hey, make sure that you click on submit or send them a reminder. I think if we did that, then we eventually got even more people that give their feedback, but still 344 is really good, but something that we definitely going to improve in the next campaigns of the survey. Okay, so that's basically when it comes down to the Google form. And the fourth step is like analyzing the results. Okay, so first of all, you need to see, okay, hey, how many submits do you have, and do you want to send an extra follow-up, yes or no? In this case, we already sent out 2 campaigns. We got over 343 responses. So in this case, it wasn't necessary to do an extra follow-up. So in this case, we didn't do that. But if you are not satisfied with the responses, right, of the amount of people that fill in the form, then you can also choose to add an extra campaign in there. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of interesting feedback, right? Especially right now we know, okay, hey, 25% is male, 75% is female, right? Also the ages. And basically what you can do is you can export all of the answers and set them into an Excel sheet. Okay, so this is like 343 sentences long, and what you can see in here, and this is why I really like this type of campaigns, is in this case what we ask, okay, hey, what's your #1 reason to use the main product? And as you can see, like this client over here was really talking where she was struggling with, then she found it out, she tried it, and then at the point it works really well for her. So all of type of feedback that people are giving is so extremely important to use for your marketing as well, and that is why a customer survey campaign can really do, beside the fact that you can find new products, can also really optimize your current product and your marketing. Okay, so that was like a really important section. Then, what type of product, right? So basically we got also that collected, right? 343 different like people with all of their answers, and also some of them were like suggesting other products as well. And an extra bonus that I would like to give you right now is that with AI tools, right, that's something that we use as well, is that we uploaded this in our AI tool, and then like everything was like really clear and mapped out. Okay, hey, what's like the number one reason why people are using the main product, right? What are like the other products? What's like the feedback? What's the average age? All those kind of stuff. Because you can get it in here, and you can like all scroll down together. But using AI, you can based on this list find new unique selling points, right, for your advertisement, the new product, the second most popular product, etc. Okay, so that's really important as an extra bonus. If you don't know how to use AI, you can or send me a message, or you can just check out the form, right, with the answers. Also, we generate 2K from this campaign. As you can see in here, there was the first campaign with a 42% open rate, 5% click rate, and 1K in sales. And this is really important why you need to send a second email, right, a retargeting email, because as you can see, it always like in terms of sales, it did almost the same, but got a lot of clicks as well, and a lot of people were also filling in this form based on the retargeting campaign, right? Really important that you're like not copy pasting literally the same email. You need to change copy, subject line, also design if you're using design, and also the targeting, right? Because you don't want to target people that already filled it in. You want to target people that that open it or didn't see it at all, right? That's like the people that you want to target. We did that extra 1K with the retargeting campaign, total of 2K of sales. And like I said before, Menno, my CEO, he was asking, hey, do you have enough useful data in order to choose your next product? And he said, absolutely, thanks again. And every single month we have a monthly checkup meeting with all of our clients. And I was asking with Dennis, hey, do you have already a new product, or are you developing already a new product? And he was saying, within 2 months, we're gonna launch a new product. And that's really cool based on this survey. So what are the next steps, right? Is right now he's really busy doing the product development, and then it's really important to do a pre-launch based on customers that did the survey. Why is it so important? Because you don't have to spend any dollar on advertisement or stock, because right now what we can do is just develop the product, make the product pages based on all of the feedback in the survey, and we can push or make a campaign that is specific for the people that are interested or filled in the survey that are interested in this product. So you can do already a pre-launch, you get already money in. With that money you can buy in stock, and then you can launch the big launch, right, where you're also going to run ads. So that's also the next steps right now. What we're going to do is that we're gonna do a pre-launch, and based on the customers that answered the customer survey. Okay, so a little bit of a longer video, but I think it's really important, because this way you can really get new insights of your audience that you already own. You can find new winning products. You can get already money in, right, with the pre-launch before you even going to buy stock or running ads, okay? And that's really important. This way you can find a new winning products for your e-commerce brand. If you got any questions, feel free to drop that below or send me a message in the DMs. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.